So I just happen to be looking at an article called Meta will track employee mouse movements and keystrokes for training and for AI training. The report says, and then it says in parentheses, well, it doesn't say in parentheses, but it says, but not for the reasons you think. So this is an article on Mashable, but it's basically talking about how Meta is ramping up surveillance. And so this piece is about technology and surveillance. And it says that Meta is installing tracking software that can capture mouse movements and keystrokes for US-based employees, which is not new. Although at the turn of this decade, coming out of COVID, there was a number of companies that were tracking employee movements to see if they're working. Meta's not saying they're going to do that. That's not it. They're using some novel point of view, saying what we're trying to do is mimic your keystrokes to train AI, because AI is struggling in those kinds of areas.